CRWV stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is CoreWeave stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. There's the only person in this space that's actually done 43,000 videos and been in the trenches and seen what's working and what's not. I can tell you with utmost certainty that randomly buying or doing any sort of randomness is not going to happen. It's all a decent plan, right? Like, in the most biggest thing about this is that I began buying when it was like 5th of May. When the price was like low 40 bucks or 30 even. Let's see. It was like 4th of May, yeah, 4th of May at the time. I don't know why it's not starting. Yeah, it was 51 bucks and then came down to like 47 something. And then since then it started pumping and we reached like 187. The only thing that was gonna, you know, make me buy was a double break, which I saw, but it sort of kind of gapped up. So the only thing that I can do further from here is there's the low, then only if I see a shift, then that's Gucci for me to buy. You know, randomly buying will just not be happening. I really mean what I say here. Like, in the meantime, all I'll be doing is just waiting for rules. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to get my free emails and insights, stay tuned with CRWV. Click the first link in the description.